Hello everyone and welcome back. So as I was editing for the past few videos, the mail came and I got my Ipsy Glam Plus bag. This should be the Glam blah 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 Glam Plus bag that it should be plus. I'm hoping. I haven't opened it, looked at it, glanced at it, nothing. So in the Glam Plus bag it costs $25 every month, and you get like a bag and then 5 full-sized items. You usually get to pick like C2, pick 3. I don't remember what I picked. To be fair with you, you pick so early in the previous month that by the time that you get to the month, you done forget. So let's just jump in and see what we got. I don't even remember what the theme is. Nothing. I remember nothing about this. I think this one had one thing that I do remember. So, here's the little bag that you get. It is a drawstring bag. It is kind of nice. I know a lot of people have been complaining about this bag because they used to give out like these little, I don't think I have one sitting around here to be fair, but they give these little tiny zipper bags. I kind of like the drawstring ones. It's kind of nice if you're just grabbing a few items to take with you as you go. It's called the Force of Nature, and in this it usually has nothing to which you got. Like, it doesn't tell you anything. It gives you like, this is like for fine lines, use grapes, for dry skin, avocado, that kind of stuff. But it doesn't give me like a price breakdown, so we're just gonna jump right in and I'm just gonna try my best. So the first item that I seem to have gotten is by Bow something, Gaseous. And it is a 5-piece eye brush set. I get a lot of brushes, but it's always great to have them on hand. The next item that I see is by One Size, it looks like. And it says that it is a 24-hour gel eyeline pencil. And I got it in Busty Brown. And here's the thing, usually you get black. So it's kind of nice to see them, you know, going up and giving you different, like, kind of colors. And it is just like the gel crayon kind. I do like these. They go on super nice. This one is a brown, although it's very dark, so it actually doesn't look brown. The next item that I have in here is by Naked Cosmetics, and this says a 4-piece pigmented eyeshadow. Yeah, it's just loose pressed eyeshadows, and you get 4 of them, so that's really neat. The next item I have in this bag is, oh, I do remember picking this. It's Deep Sleep Body Cocoon Lotion, and this is by This Works. And let me tell you something about this lotion. I actually use this lotion at night. It has a very nice, like, lavender smell. I think it's lavender. It's like a eucalyptus lavender. But I do like it. Like, if you go to take a bath at night and you put this on, it's got shea butter in it, it's got lavender, chamomile, but it's really nice on the skin and it's kind of soothing. And the last item that I got in this box is by The Balm. The Balm does really great, like, color schemes and eyeshadow palettes. They're one of the nice, I like getting them. Kind of, they're funky. And so this one looks like this. It's a very neutral shades. We got Cut and Green Screen and Autograph, Makeup Artist, Roll Credits, Red Carpet, which is not red at all, Chick Flick, and Cliffhanger, which is a matte brown. So, and they're really nicely pigmented. We'll go ahead and take some Roll Credits off screen because it's nice and dark, and we'll take the matte Cliffhanger, and I'll just show you how dark they are. So this is the one that looks almost black, and this one is more of a glimmery shade, and then the last one I picked was a shimmer, which is hard to see in my lights at the moment. But yeah, that's the color scheme of it. And so you get like the brown eyeshadow, a liner, and then the neutral colors to go with it. I mean, it's a really nice box for $25. And usually your eyeshadow palettes that you get in it, or one item, is going to be about the same amount. And these look magnetic. I'm not really sure if they are or not, but they look like they're magnetic. Because I can see them on the back end. I don't know. Maybe they're not. Maybe it's just the way this is designed. But yeah, this is the Bomb and the Beautiful. So that is what I got in my Force of Nature bag. And if any of this looks good, make sure you click everything. There'll be links in the description. I'm telling you, I've had a really busy day. I've unboxed a lot of stuff. So check out the channel and other videos. See if there's anything else that sounds appealing to you. And as always, I sometimes feel like this is just hilarious because I am like the worst YouTuber ever. But I heart your face. Have a great, fantastic day. Bye.